Hey everybody, it's Kordel. I am a videographer out of New York and Toronto, and today I want to talk to you about the FeelWorld 5.1 Lut5 monitor. Let's just get started with this. So, this is a great monitor. Let me tell you, if you're a videographer starting out, you definitely want to have a bigger size monitor. You just get a better field of view, better than what's on the camera. I'm going to tell you from now, get a FeelWorld. FeelWorld is actually, I was kind of hesitant to get this, but when I got it, I was super impressed. The brightness is like incredible. Like you can literally be outside, bright sunlight, and this shows your footage very clean, clear, bright. Definitely something to pick up. I'll leave a link for the description in the bio below. You guys know what to do. Click on that to purchase it. Definitely clean your monitor before use. Now, here's the thing. I use this monitor on my Red and on my Sony. Absolutely love it. It has focus peaking. It has false coloring. It literally has all the bells and whistles that you would need to capture great quality, to get great exposure. You can put your own LUTs in it, which is great if you want to show a client the footage with a LUT. Super easy. It also, in the back, it also has the attachment for the Hollyland transmitter. Pretty awesome, pretty space saving, especially when I'm using my Red. This is actually such a great thing. I'm gonna try, actually it's also, you can plug it in and you can battery power, you can detap it, you know the deal. I'm not gonna do a whole unboxing and do all that good stuff because you guys can find that anywhere. I just wanna tell you my experience filming with this bad boy. I love this. I gotta say, I was really happy with it. I still am happy with it. I still use it to this day. I haven't used it as much as I want to give you guys a full tutorial on it. As far as like, you know, everything, it hasn't dropped as yet or anything like that, but just using it out the box, super easy to use. As you can see, a bright screen, I don't have anything attached to it, but this monitor is a must. If you need something affordable and you need a good quality monitor, this is it. However, if you're doing, I'll tell you this monitor has a little fan in it and you can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I'll put it next to the microphone. So you can hear the fan in it. So if you're recording audio, just make sure it's not next to the monitor, but that's something you'll figure out and do whatever. This is a great monitor. I absolutely highly recommend it. FeelWorld did a nice job on this, and I'll tell you this, I love this monitor so much that I had to go out and get the big one to it, the 10.1. So that should tell you how much I love this. So let's talk about the 10.1 while we have it right here. So the 10.1, I needed a director's monitor for the music videos, and I've been doing a lot of short stories and short films. So I needed a little director's monitor, something portable, something just as bright in case we're outside, and I opted for the 10-inch FeelWorld. Same quality, same everything. The only difference I think that, and I love this for that, is that there's just preset buttons on the top that just make it super easy to just click on it and, you know, change my focus peaking, my false coloring, just change all that at a touch of a button. Super easy. Battery operated as the other FeelWorlds. You can put your SD card for your LUTs, which I have on mine. Battery operated. You can also put a DTAP and plug it in. You know how that goes. This has dual battery power, which is awesome. So like if one battery dies, you can hot swap. So you're not even losing any type of look, whatever, you know, any type of, you're not losing the footage to your director. So this is another great monitor, super bright. And yeah, this is definitely, if you're looking for a director's monitor, definitely, I would definitely opt for this. Another dope monitor. The next thing I learned about these monitors, which I didn't know, is that you can literally pinch and zoom in, which I freaking love, because sometimes I'm on set and I want to just see the details, and without going into the camera, I can literally just pinch and zoom and see like, okay, that's not sharp. Love this. It's just like an iPhone. So I tell you, FeelWorld did a nice job on this, so I would definitely recommend this bad boy. So if you want the description and all, not description, if you want to purchase this, it is in my bio. So just click on the link and yeah, take a look. I don't make these YouTube tutorials too long. I just tell you my experience with it. If you have questions and if you have this already, let me know what your thoughts on it are. Sorry about that. I'm so nervous doing you know, videos like this. This is crazy. I'm usually behind the camera, not in front of the camera. So please excuse my poor and nervousness, but I'll get better as this happens. So if you want to purchase this, or if you have this already, please tell me your thoughts on it and your experience with it. If you like it, if you dislike it. If you're thinking about getting it, definitely get it. The next one is the Shinobi, what is the Shinobi? The Adamus Shinobi. That one is very good. I love that monitor as well. I actually cracked it by accident, so that's why I don't have it here. But that is actually one of my favorite monitors as well. However, I'm loving the FeelWorld. I'm loving this. You know what I like about it? It's just the squareness. I don't know. It's just square and it just looks so boom in your face, and the brightness is unpaired, man. No one's had a bright monitor like this as far as I can see. But anyway, definitely, you know, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys for watching, and go out and shoot.